fuel. Torpedoes will be loaded within a half hour. Any dope?
Our orders are to stand by.
Boy, those destroyers aren't standing by. They went down that channel like a rat race.
Somebody might have given them orders to go. You got 20 boxes of 50 caliber there. Give 12 to Leonard.
Now hear this. Unidentified aircraft approaching Cavite. Unidentified aircraft approaching Cavite.
Those are jet planes. Headed this way, Brick.
All boats out in the bay. Follow me and stand by for signals.
What's that, another drill?
Can't be a drill. That's all we get in this Navy is drill, drill, drill.
Fire!